We're looking at another nice morning going across North Texas. Sunny skies expected again today. We'll talk about those low-wind storm chances that we have heading into tomorrow afternoon. Let's get you out the door this morning. DFW Airport, if you are traveling today, not going to be looking at any weather-related delays. 58 degrees there right now. Some temperatures are running a few degrees warmer. Not quite as cool, but it is still comfortable heading on out the door here early this morning. You can see on the satellite radar composites, seeing those mid-level clouds blow into the area. We've had that upper low all week long down in the Gulf of Mexico. That's brought some heavy rain down along the Gulf Coast over into Florida, as we've talked about, and we'll have more on that for you coming up. But just some cloud cover. We're on the backside of that, so the air's sinking. So that's kept things nice and pleasant, very comfortable for us with the low humidity out there the past few days. But as that slides off to the east, we will see those south winds increasing, and the moisture will increase as we head into tomorrow and Saturday out ahead of the cold front. Now, as far as the storm chances are concerned, here comes the dry line as we head into tomorrow afternoon. It's going to stay west of the area, but there will be some isolated thunderstorms that develop along it. It's going to be late in the day, it looks like, probably sometime after 3 p.m. tomorrow. Coverage is going to be low, but any storm that's able to develop, the atmosphere is going to be very unstable. So we are anticipating some severe storms if storms are able to develop. But coverage is going to be very low, probably less than 20%. And then the dry line retreats a little farther west. The cold front moves in as we head into late Friday, early Saturday. Probably not going to see much, if any, thunderstorm activity with that either around the Metroplex. We'll have that drier air filtering in behind it, but isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to develop well to our east and south as we get into Saturday afternoon. And as that moves on through, we'll have some brisk northwest winds as we head later into the day on Saturday. So that drier air moves in, so it will be a very pleasant end to the weekend. So here's what it looks like as far as the severe weather outlook is concerned. Only marginal, so it's a level 1, so it's going to be on the low end. We are talking about large hail, maybe quarter size, plus damaging winds up over 60 miles per hour. Tornado threat is low, not zero though, but we can't rule that out. But again, mainly a hail and wind threat, it looks like. And again, that risk is marginal. So stay weather aware as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening, but then things should settle down as we go through the rest of the weekend. So speaking of, here's that 10-day forecast for you. Again, we're putting in the coverage less than 20% right now, but check back. We'll have some updates to the forecast as we get a little closer to Friday. And then as we get into Saturday, we'll have highs in the upper 70s. Those winds, though, come around out of the northwest, and they will be gusting on Saturday afternoon. Sunday looks nice. It will be very pleasant, a little breezy with those north winds. We'll be in the mid 70s, and then we're back into the low 80s as we get into the first part of next week, and some low wind storm chances do return as well.